Jason, did he get out?
Chris? Chris? Come on, mate, get up! You? Yeah, come on! Beggars can't be choosers! I can't. We gotta go! Come on, we gotta go! We gotta go home! No! Stay back! The whole lot can come!
Oh, no, what are you
Call
doing?
999! And someone get her down! Come on, Tina, come on, get down!
No, he's in there!
Come on, lock the fire brigade, you know, you don't
Dad!
know.
Dad, it's gonna fall!
Leave it, mate, it's not safe! Don't bully Jackson now, Antonita! Get some torches!
You can't stay there, Kevin!
Molly! Molly, can you hear me? Molly, shout if you can hear me! I'm gonna need some first aid over here now! Come on, you're okay, sit down now. There we go. Janice is gonna look after you.
Me?
Well, you're the one with the training.
Right, okay now. Let's have a little look at you. Janice can't speak to everyone.
It's okay, Dr. Carter's gonna come inside once he's finished out there. Okay, what do you need, Janice?
I don't...
Janice!
I need some hot water to do the wounds and some ice for the swelling and then some blankets.
Okay.
Yeah, blankets.
Julie, pass us that ice bucket there. That's it, come on. There's some pictures under the bar. Grab hold of those and
Right, you are.
put hot water in them. Janice, your ice is here. I'm going to go upstairs and fetch some blankets.
Yeah.
When you're done with that, what? Start dishing out the brandy. And make them large ones.
Help! 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 Fizz! Fizz! What happened? Oh, Fizz, you're alright, it's okay. Tram! Hey, what? It's not going now. Come on, you're gonna shake. Carla! Carla, come here! Is he alright, love? John! John! He was in the back! John!
Where's Anita? Where is she? She's okay.
I think she's in there. I'm so sorry.
Look, she was going to go to her hen knife, but I made her work.
Nobody could have foreseen this.
Come on,
Keep it cold. Did you see that? Shh. You stay asleep, hey? We're gonna be okay. It's in the air.
No, too deep. Keep going, shall we? Gerald! Boy, this is mad. We should leave it to the professionals at the end of the day. I not have a minute. Now listen, mate. Thanks for your help and all that, but I can take it from here. Cheryl! Cheryl!
In the office. Well, that's right in the middle of...
You don't know the full extent of the collapse. They could be perfectly fine, just penned in by the
Isn't
rubble.
the answer?
Get through, the network must be down.
Anybody searching for him?
Lloyd and Jason are looking.
Right.
No, David! I don't want you getting hurt as well.
The more people that look for him, the better chance we have of finding
I'll
him.
come with you.
No, love, you'll be more used here.
No less of a hindrance to me. It's so frustrating not being able to do anything.
You keep trying on that.
David, be careful!
Gail, I'm opening up the medical centre. I'm going to need you
No, I'm sorry, Doctor. My son's trapped in there.
Then he's beyond help right now. There's a lot of other people who may need us.
Us? What can I do? I'm no doctor.
You're my first aider. Send anyone needing urgent attention to the surgery. Do what you can for the rest.
No, he's fine. He's fine.
wasn't them. Well, we best keep digging then, eh?